Welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I'm going to make a milkshake. Yes, I have some with me, some oat milk. Yes, I'm going to make a shake. And I have this raspberry yogurt. I have blueberry here, frozen blueberry and strawberry. Okay, I'm going to put some milk in here. Okay, and my strawberry and my blueberry with a banana. Okay, sometimes you want something quick to go. Okay, let me just put this on. This is just a quick one. This is nice. Wow. Very nice. Some yogurt. Oh. Okay. That look too bad and it tastes very nice. Just a little milkshake to go. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye.